Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. First and foremost, I want to apologize. I haven't been able to drop off videos the way I used to. I got a crazy schedule going on right now, but man, hopefully I get a little more time. So what we're doing right now is last video, as you seen on my Glasshouse, my radiator went out, and I haven't been able to get one. So I just ordered one today, man. And hopefully tomorrow we get it in. So tonight we're gonna take the radiator off and wait for the other one for tomorrow, man. I've been driving the Caprice, for the past two weeks. It's time to put her to the side for a little bit. I need to give her a break, and I gotta show love to my Glasshouse, man. I haven't done maintenance on this one in a while, so this one gotta be put up, and time to focus on the Glasshouse right now. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take off the radiator, and we go from there, man. So there it is, guys. This one is out already. As you can see, this is where it cracked. So hopefully we get the right one tomorrow and put it on, and we go from there, man. So let's stop right now and continue tomorrow. Damn it, boy. What's up, y'all? Today is Friday. As you know, yesterday we took the radiator off. We got the new radiator here, man. Hopefully it's the right one. We're about to open it up, and man, we're gonna start working on this car, man. Hopefully we're able to take her out tonight. I really miss driving this baby. So hopefully today is the day, man. Let's go. Damn it, boy. So we're checking out the radiator. As far as I can see, the only difference is the tank. It's a little bit skinnier than the one on the original that's coming out right now. I just got out the phone with my boy Lowe's. I wanted to get a second opinion. I know I can make it work. I just wanted to make sure it will be good. Transmission lines work, everything is good. It's just the tanks, they're a little bit smaller. Everything else, the body is the same, the length is the same, everything measures the same. So we should be good, man. So we're gonna try to make it work, and let me set it up, and then we put it on, and hopefully we're good. So let's keep on working. So here we go, man. Radiator is back on. Seems to be holding pretty steady. So we good. Rookie mistake. I went, bought a brand new radiator. Didn't buy any antifreeze. So I'm about to go run to O'Reilly's real quick and get some antifreeze and get her going, man. Hopefully we can go out for the ride tonight. So let's go. Hammer boy. So, man, let me tell you what happened. Everything is good. We're ready to roll. Pulling out the Glasshouse. Flat tire. Can't do anything. Radiator's good to go. Everything is good. We can roll out with a flat tire, man. Damn it. She my baby, man. She my baby. I don't lie. Tomorrow I'm gonna get her going. Tonight, drop top weather it is, man. Fuck it. I cannot pull out the wagon right now because we got no plates on her, and cops are hot right now. I don't know why. Otherwise, oh yeah, holiday. Otherwise, we'll be rolling on the wagon.